This is extra hard level 228. This is a pretty tricky game. So many of the pieces have the light blue and yellow combination. And if you're trying to pick out pieces that are just that color scheme, there's about 6 of those. So you would fill up the little slots at the bottom before you could get anything out. The screwdrivers are especially hard because they're so small, and they look so similar to the binoculars with the circular shape of the yellow. There are cute little Easter eggs in here, though. And the little packets of what look like dog food. And this game was such a struggle, I did have to shake things up a bit to see if I could find some more of those stinking screwdrivers under here. And as I look at it now, it is so easy to see the remaining egg with the pink dots on it. It's right there in the center. But when you're playing the game and you're trying to race the clock, it's hard to notice those things. I did finally find it. Take care.